Alright folks, look, we did get an inquiry as to how to attach the garden hose to the Homelite device. Now, this is the gadget that fits into the back of the Homelite device. Pardon my voice. It just screws in here. But, let me get back to the hose. That's a filter there, by the way. Leave that in there if you see it. This connector fits onto a press-on connector on your hose like this. Okay, so push it in. Done. It's on. Okay, so just put that back into the machine. That screws into the machine. Actually, it's a good inquiry because looking at this see-through connector, it doesn't look that strong, but it actually works and it is pretty strong. So, okay, we'll just go through the motions here. By the way, this hose costs about, I think, $16, $17 at Bunnings. It's only a short hose. I think it's about 11 metres. So it's a press-on fit. Pull that back. See? Pull it back. Push it on. And there you go. It's a solid connection. Now, on the other end of this thing, there is also a press-on connector. Now, you may or may not have an appropriate connector on your tap. If you don't, but I'd suggest you get one of these. It's a, well, brand name is Holman. Cost is about, I think it's $8.90. And you can see that it's thread there, so you can screw that onto your tap. Goes onto the tap, and once again it fits into here. Pull that down, in, and there you go. There's your connection to your tap. One other thing I should say is these are, pardon me, these are 12mm connectors. That's a 12mm connector. So if you're looking for a hose with this sort of connection on it, look for one with a 12mm connector. Ask the guy at Bunnings. Same with this. I think that's about it really, just for the back connection. Yeah, I think that'll do. Alright, thanks then.